Hello once again, and today we're going to be doing a part 4 on this Kolink satellite Micro-ATX PC case. I have done a sort of modification because, as you can see, there is no way you can put in a internal DVD writer or ROM, whatever you want to call it, and it has to be external, and I don't have a card. Well, I do have a card, but if you look at the back, I won't show you that, but you only get the 2 slots, and they've been taken up by a graphics card and a USB 3 card. But I want SATA. I did get myself a SATA bracket thing, but here it is. But as you can see, it's eSATA. But this is going straight into the motherboard, and I have not had to do any modifications to the case whatsoever. So what I've done is, because the wire is quite thin anyway, this plastic mount, it actually goes through. There's a big enough gap so the wire can actually go through it. So that's how I can achieve it without doing no drilling, no mods to the actual case itself, which is handy. I mean, it ain't going to look tidy or anything, but who cares, because you can't see the back of the PC anyway. So now I've got my SATA, which the drive is SATA or USB 2, but I'd rather use SATA if I can. So there, I can achieve that now. Just a quick video just to show you it's possible if both of your cards, if you're both of your back of your PC are both taken up with different cards. So as I say, the graphics card and the USB 3 card, you know, I can't put the bracket in, so I've taken the bracket off and just stuck it in there. So now I've got USB 3. No, I've got SATA rather, not USB 3. That's USB 3. I've got eSATA, so I can connect that now to my eSATA drive, and that'll be classed as SATA drive now, which is good. Ignore that. Anyway, I thought I'd just show you that. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.